In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the split screen feature on Microsoft Edge. This is a simple and incredibly useful tool that can really enhance your browsing experience by allowing you to view two tabs at once, side by side. So, whether you're comparing information, taking notes, or simply trying to multitask more efficiently, this is the perfect solution for you. Let's dive right in. Firstly, you want to open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Make sure you've got it up and running because, as a web browser, it serves as the main platform for your internet adventures. Now, when you have Edge open, take a moment to orient yourself with the layout. The user interface is clean and fairly intuitive. You'll notice the address bar at the top, where you typically type in URLs or search queries. In the upper right-hand corner of the window, look for a row of three dots. These three dots represent the Settings and More menu. Clicking on it reveals a drop-down menu filled with various options. Now, don't worry if the menu looks extensive or a bit daunting. We're only interested in one specific option today. Within this drop-down menu, you should look for an option labeled Split Screen. Now, it's important to keep in mind that Microsoft Edge regularly updates. So, if you don't immediately see this option, you might need to make sure your browser is up to date. However, assuming it's there, go ahead and click on Split Screen. And that's really all there is to it. You've successfully activated the split screen, allowing you to see two sides of the web simultaneously, with each taking up half of your screen space. This can be particularly useful if you're trying to cross-reference documents, watch a video while taking notes, or simply want to keep an eye on one page while actively using another. This feature is designed to help streamline your workflow and ultimately make browsing the web a more efficient and seamless experience. To exit split screen mode and return to a single tab view, you'll typically find an option to close or merge the screens back together. This is usually straightforward, but feel free to explore the menu options if you need further adjustments. So, there you have it, a quick guide to using Microsoft Edge's split screen feature. It's a smart and effective way to multitask, improving both productivity and ease of use. Give it a try and you'll soon notice how much smoother your web experience can be. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tech tips and tricks.